Welcome viewers, and thanks for taking time to be here with me. Before we proceed, I would urge you to please click on the subscribe button and give me a like so that you don't miss on any other future tips and tutorials. Thank you. Today's tutorial is about making an outstanding bold 3D logo using Corel Draw. I've created this logo, but I will this is to be used as a guide. I will put this aside so that we can make a similar thing right from scratch. First, you create a workspace and type in the name of the company or the business you want to make the logo for. Then you bolden and zoom it out for better visibility of the work. Okay, I'll move my finished artwork aside as it's coming in the way, so don't mind this. I'm literally just trying to push it aside to pave way for this other one. After you type in the name and you've clicked bold, right click it and select curve. Then click on weld to weld it. Now you press on Ctrl plus L to create it into one single object. To modify the shape, go into effects and add perspective, and then you can stretch it to whatever shape you like. You can resize this, you can curve it, you can sharpen it, V, square, whatever you like. And now you will go to the toolbar and select extrude. You click and drag to whatever shape you desire. This will bring now the 3D effect. And now this one lastly here is to change the color of the 3D effect to wherever you like. I hope you learned something new today, and I appreciate you taking your time to watch this to the end. Please feel free to subscribe and feel free to share with your friends as many times as you can. Remember, if you have any question or any comment, feel free in the comment box below. And until next time, see you. Bye bye.